Hey there, Joseph here. One question for you. How can you make your video less boring and more watchable? I have 3 hacks that I'm about to share. Keep watching. Welcome and welcome back. My name is Joseph Rubelli. I help you to turn followers into clients using video, and today I am sharing 3 hacks on how to make your video more watchable and less boring. So let's get to it. Hacks number 1 is change your camera shot. Now this is me filming right now, as you can see. But the great thing is you can change your shot without essentially moving anything, but just moving yourself. If you see in the beginning of the video, I am speaking on this side, then on the intro I go in this side, and then I can go in the middle. Another great tip, if you notice, is to stand and don't sit. Why? Once you stand, your voice is fuller, you can breathe with your diaphragm, and you are looking more confident, and you attract the viewer to you. Another great tip I can share with you is to remember the rule of third, meaning that you are actually filming yourself not completely in the middle, but just a little bit on the side and with 2/3 of your screen. I'm going to put here a grid, and you're going to see that it's just right here in this circle where you want to focus. This will drive the viewer to you, and it will make your video more interesting. At the same time, you want to remember to not leave too much head space in between you and the end of the screen. You can come a little closer, and you can cut yourself a little bit. Lots of people like to do so. They like to have a little bit ahead and be very, very close, like a close shot. Or they like I do, to be a little bit, have a little bit of space and be slightly on the side, which makes it less weird, like this. Close-up shot, medium shot, wide shot. Hacks number 2 is change your background, and guess what? You don't have to leave the room. Changing up your background makes your video more interesting. It actually grabs the viewer attention as you see something is changing and you cannot work out straight away what it is. You can either move your camera like this, like I just did, or you can change it when you are editing. Hacks number 3 is tight edit. Don't give your viewer time to think about what you have to say and to get bored. So every time you are speaking and you are doing some break just like that, you want to edit them out. So if you are doing some breaks like this, you want to speed it up. Therefore, edit them out. Now it's your turn. Which one of these 3 hacks was the most useful for you? And which is your biggest takeaway? Make sure you let me know on the comments below. If you like this video, make sure you subscribe and turn on the bell so you get notified every time I upload a new one. And if you want more tips, make sure you follow me on Instagram at Joseph Rubelli. I will see you same time, same place on the next video. Thank you so much for watching.